Hey, if you are wondering how to boost your consistently low sales, then this video is for you. The e-commerce landscape is evolving rapidly, with global sales expected to reach an impressive $6.3 trillion this year. So, how can you capture a piece of this lucrative market? First up, influencer marketing. Collaborate with nano and micro-influencers who have smaller but highly engaged audiences. They can create authentic content that resonates with their followers, leading to higher engagement and sales for your store. Next, focus on increasing your average order value by offering personalized product recommendations, bundle products, or setting a minimum order amount for free shipping. These tactics will increase your order value and also enhance the customer shopping experience. Exceptional customer support is a game changer. Use AI-backed chatbots for quick responses and ensure your customer service team is well-trained. Expand your reach by entering international markets. Use platforms like Amazon Global Selling to simplify the process and ensure your content is localized for different regions. Use AI-powered tool ImageTranslate to translate text on images while preserving the original design, making it perfect for adapting your product labels, ads, and social media content to different languages and cultural contexts. It enables you to communicate effectively with international customers, ensuring your marketing materials resonate globally. By implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to increasing your e-commerce sales in 2024. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on growing your business. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.